Heartiest welcome to all. This video is about the poem My Last Duchess, which was written by Robert Browning. Summary of the poem My Last Duchess. An emissary visits the recently widowed Duke and the dramatic monologue begins. Duke shows the painting of his last Duchess who was exhibited on the wall. He feels that the image is alive and remarkable achievements. He says that the very famous artist Fra Pandolf spent a day to complete the portrait. The Duke acknowledges that when strangers look at the painting, they questioned how the artist achieved such depth in emotion. So he answers emissary that the curtain of the painting should not be opened and no one else allowed to view the portrait. The Duke explains that his last Duchess, Lucretia, expressed joy not only in the presence of Duke but also when others present. Browning reveals later in the poem that the emissary visits the Duke to talk about the marriage proposals. After that, Duke creates an impression about him. Duke tries to say about the negative impression on the Duchess so that he could gain fame. He says that he was a lover of art and he admires the work done by Fra Pandolf. He explains about his Duchess that she blushed at the presence of any man. The artist was given only one day to complete the painting, which was indicating Duke is afraid of about any advancement between both the artist and Duchess. Duke was very jealous about the nature and character of the Duchess. This indicates that her death was not normal. Fra Pandolf might have said that he cloak of Duchess covers the wrist because such beauty can never be reproduced by paints that may produce smile on her face. She admired everything and her sight could bring happiness from everywhere. According to the Duke, his expensive gift at her breast, setting sun, cherries presented by a fool riding on her mule, etc., were the things of joy, and she blushed to enjoy. According to the Duke, that her thankful quality is too low to bend to her level and try to mend her ways even if it is possible. The emissary doesn't know about the personality of the Duchess, but Duke explains that she was unfaithful and she was with sinful intentions in her mind. But Duchess is not unfaithful. She was a woman with simple, kind-hearted and thankful. Her attitude towards gifts and the beauty of nature is not the thing one would expect from a duchess. Duke is too blind with his egoistic lifestyle that he doesn't care of Duchess. How she thanked others. She is not worthy to understand the great lineage of Duke's family. Duke goes on to explain the factors that he wouldn't want to deliver a good speech with Duchess Lucretia that can change her attitude. But if he did that, it would be shameful if she gives out an excuse to escape. He will not be stooping down for anything. He says to the emissary that his wife smiled at him as a mark of love, but he felt that the same smile was produced to anyone who passes her by. So the Duke couldn't bear it and gave orders to silence her. He asked the emissary to come with him to join the others. Emissary's master, a count, is a rich man, and he expects to get a good amount as dowry. But for Duke, Count's daughter is more important to him than dowry. Then he passing points out another work of art, a bronze statue of Neptune taming a seahorse, which was done by Claus of Innsbruck, so making his late wife but just another work of art. Throughout the summary of the poem My Last Duchess, Duke's descriptions are at first flattering. It becomes clear that he resented the Duchess' attentions to other men. The Duke remarks that he gave orders resulting in the Duchess' ultimate silence. The poem concludes as the Duke reveals his intention to marry again.